Okay, so as promised, here I am in the next app, the Voyager app. Now, I don't know if this is good, bad, ugly. Bitcoin is on the recovery, is on the mend. You can see within the last day, it had a huge drop down to 31. Yeah, you can go check out my other video, Robinhood. I bought some. That's right. Buying the dips. And I still want to buy more. But I have no money here. So let's go get some money. Let's get some money, honey. Alright, deposit the Voyager. Let's deposit US dollars. Let's deposit $100. Is that going to work? I think so. Hold on. I believe it will. Let's check it out. Go. Alright. You can see I've done this before. It's not the first time. Alright. So, now, do I have crypto in my wallet? Oh, I have USD in my wallet, rather. Oh, yes, I do. Alright. Here, let's go shopping. Voyager. Oh man, I missed it. It was down to $1.53. I missed it. Dang it. Alright, let's see what else we can buy on sale. I like investing in the Voyager. VeChain? Is VeChain on sale? Still on sale or no? What are you guys buying in this dip anyway? Anything good? Looks like VeChain's not doing anything for me. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it dipped down way below. 7 cents. Now it's back up to 11 cents. Man, I could have almost doubled my money again. Look at that. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Alright. What else? What else is going on here? Alright, we got Digibyte. Okay. Price 7 cents. Verge 3 cents. Stormex. Yeah, Stormex. BitTorrent. Yeah, BitTorrent. The millionaire maker. Not for me. I lost 34%. That's pretty bad. So, what do you do when it dips? You buy the dip. I'll buy $25 worth. Bam. Done. Next. Alright, what's next? Hedra. Ooh. It was lower. Look at that. I've lost 30%. Ooh, what do I do now? This doesn't look good. Now what do we do? Oh. Buy more. What else? Bam. Done. Next. Okay. What other cryptos you guys buying? VeChain. I love the VeChain. You know what? I'm still up. Look at that. Still up 45% from where I bought it originally. That's insane. Okay. I'm buying $25. Go. Alright. Good. So I've got $25 left. What should I buy? Comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Alright guys? Cool. Should I buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin seems like it's on sale right now. I think I should buy some Bitcoin. $25 worth. Doesn't sound like a lot, and it's really not. But that's okay. If I get 0.01 Bitcoin in this account, I'll get interest. 6.25%. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody's trying to get a hold of me. A lot of spam callers. Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway. So, what I'm trying to say, if I get 0.01 Bitcoin in this account, they'll start paying me 6.25% interest. And the money that I had in here was from opening the account. It was a free $25. So, not really losing money on that deal. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. What you're buying, what you're selling, or whatever. In the comments below. And be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for updates on crypto. The Voyager app, Robinhood, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and all those crypto apps that I'm using. Go check them out. Alright guys, thanks for watching.